An honorable judge. Hello, ladies and gentlemen in this house. Today we have the motion that this house would ban tobacco. Personally, I hate tobaccos and I hate smokers. But, however, I accept that there are people who are addicted to tobaccos and they cannot stop. And we have to accept that as a human being or a member of society or the same Japanese citizens. So like there are lesbians, there are gays, there are unabled people. So we have to accept any kind of people, and smokers is one of them. So I'd like to agree with their definition, but I strongly oppose their arguments. Firstly, let me review the government side. Their first point was why we should take this plan. They said that Japanese government's role is to keep Japanese people healthy. However, as I said in my intro, we believe that we don't really care about those people who wish to smoke because it is their choice and their responsibility. So Japanese government has no responsibility to protect these kind of people because they just want to smoke and this is their body and they can take care of themselves. Okay, so their first point does not stand. And their second point is how harmful for smokers. Okay, we got that smoking is very dangerous for people and also it gives us very heavy disease. But, as I said, it's the same thing. If we ban, those people will stop smoking. It's just paying money for one time or twice. So, and also it is just 5,000 yen. And how to keep those people not smoking because they can smoke inside the house. Japanese government cannot keep watching those kind of people. So it is very hard to watch these kind of people and all of Japanese citizens who smoke. So it is very difficult to ban. And also, it is their responsibility to keep healthy. So disease, it is their responsibility. And also, tobacco is very addictive, but if we ban and if it is successful, people who stopped smoking, they will feel so much stressed, and also they will run into something else. So like it is a very small example, but Red Bull. So if they feel very stressful and they run into keep drinking Red Bull, then I'm sure it is going to be very harmful to their body. So Japanese government has to keep banning so many things. Yeah. So their second point does not stand. Okay, let me move on to our argument. The opposition side's stance is to protect Japanese citizens' freedom. We have 3 points to support our stance. Our first point is how present situation is not a problem. And our second point is money. And my partner will explain point 3. So our first point is how present situation is not a problem. So smokers smoke and non-smokers don't smoke. And also in Tokyo there is a rule that people should not smoke while walking. And there is a smoking place along the sidewalk, so people can smoke, stop for a while and smoke. And also, if we, like me, and non-smokers feel uncomfortable with them, there is a separation between non-smokers and smokers at any places in Japan now. So it is not a problem, we believe, that smokers can smoke at anywhere, but non-smokers don't feel uncomfortable with them at that, staying at the same place or same area. So we believe that the present situation is not a problem. And also, if smokers wish to smoke, then let them, because it is their problem to keep their body healthy, or they want to release their stress through smoking. And also, if they stop smoking, it is much bigger burden for them, because smoking is just the only way to release their stress. So what happens if they don't smoke or they stop smoking? Okay, let me move on to the second point. Second point is money. So in the present situation, the Japanese government keeps rising the tobacco tax, because maybe they wish to stop smokers smoke, but it is not working, because smokers keep smoking and buying tobaccos. So, and also we believe that why Japanese government is doing that is because they are so eager to get taxed by Japanese citizens, or they are so desperate to get money, because we have so much debt. So, and also there are the smokers is 60% of our population. So it is so much money for Japanese government. So if we ban tobacco, we cannot get such taxes or such money to help Japanese government. So it is going to be a big problem to support our Japanese nation. So as money-wise, we should not ban tobacco, because it will lead to collapsing our government. So from this point of view, we strongly oppose this motion. Thank you for listening.